beginning of the year this year. But I really like it, and I realized I've never really played it for anyone. So yeah, it's called Rain, and yeah, I just kind of tried to use like the analogy of it raining, like to kind of compare like just like miscommunications and stuff. So yeah, that was what it was about. I try to get past everything that you put me through, and I let you, 'cause how much more damage could you even do? But you do. Don't take me back. I'm done pretending the future can fix the past. Don't tell me in the morning that ain't your mess you made. The neighbors, they've been smoking, must be the ones who wrecked our gate. Don't tell me fisherman tales making me think I'm insane. The storm clouds may have been there, but you're who made it rain. Cause I'm the one who fell in it. So excited. You chase, so I just fall in again and again. To take me back. I'm pretending the future can fix the past. Don't tell me in the morning that ain't your mess you made. The neighbors, they've been smoking, must be the ones who wrecked our gate. Don't tell me fisherman tales making me think I'm insane. The storm clouds may have been there, but you're who made it rain. It's been a long time coming. Tell me in the morning that ain't your mess you made. The neighbors, they've been smoking, but lately they've